Hey everybody, we are here at the Portland Pickles game and they have just launched a comeback. Nathan Shin was the starting pitcher today. And these are two of my closest friends from Santa Clara University, class of 1993. Yes, it is 30 years, which makes us old people. Yes. So we're talking about a comeback. This is a little bit of similar to what is happening in the real estate market right now and in a lot of people's lives. It's the summer. This is your chance at the 4th of July weekend to take a look at what are you planning for the second half of the year. Are you planning for a comeback? Make everything planned out well so that you can have an amazing comeback in 2023 and finish the year really, really strong. Regardless of industry and what you do and how you do it, come back strong and do it with friends because it's way more fun to experience a comeback with some great friends. Say go Broncos.
Go Broncos.
Make it a great day.